Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walk around of this 2017 Sea Ray 19 SPX. This boat comes with a galvanized trailer with swing away tongue. This boat is going to be powered by Mercury 150 4-stroke, and the boat only has 50 hours. Entering the boat, you've got a transom sun pad. Here at the helm, this boat is going to come with a Garmin GPS, Rockford Fosgate with Bluetooth. Moving forward, you've got full bow seating. The boat is rated for 11 people. You've got your port side double seat. Come out and see us at MarineMax Pensacola.